AC not cooling, spot compressor failures without tools, visual check, oil, visual check, burnt terminals, visual check, frost, visual check, dirty condenser, verify breaker, verify line voltage, concept only, no probing if untrained, verify thermostat call, confirm condenser fan, confirm airflow, watch start sequence, note humming clicks, possible locked rotor, note trips or short cycling, note high head low suction, capacity loss, note temps, abnormal discharge is a flag, check capacitor faults, check contactor faults, check for voltage drop, check condenser fouling, check metering restriction, read controller codes.